Well guys, looking at some construction work today here at Disney's Hollywood Studio. There we go. You can see some cranes back there, about 3 of them. See one moving around back there. See the wall. There's now a smokers section. One likes to puff on one occasionally. You can still see the Muppets area from here, but you cannot go back any further than this, from this angle anyhow. You can see the new Disney Hollywood Studios. That'll include not only Star Wars, but also Toy Story Land. There's a picture of it now. Let's see if it actually comes to fruition the way it looks. It's down here towards the Toy Story Land. Bleecker Street. Oh. Let's go back around and see if we can get on the other side and see what kind of work is progressing over there. Back here near Sci-Fi Dining. Close to the pizza place that was around here as well. You can see wall construction is up here as well. People are waiting in line to eat. You can see the Muppets over there. You can see Kermit the Frog. Still see some of the buildings up on the back lot. They'll probably be coming down before too much longer. And well, you can't go back there. There's a sign placed there for directions to rides and shows and events. Nothing really to see a whole lot of. Stroller City and a wall. You can see it's straight ahead where the poles are at is Star Wars. Walk down there just a moment. And there's where you'll meet Mickey, Olaf for the gang. And then like I said, we're right here going into the Sci-Fi Diner. Around it is all walled off for construction. Sometimes there's just not enough room around here. Like I just want to walk inside the camera, inside my unit, you know? Like, hey, here's my digits. It wasn't like I was almost inside a stroller. But anyway, needless to say, here we are. Once again, we're at Star Wars. Let's check out this. I'm surprised this is not walled off as well. The gift shop to Star Wars. Star Tours, rather. Star Tours. Same thing. The Star Tours, they call it. Okay, wow. So we can walk around the walls, so to speak. Oh, man. Yeah, somebody trying to take a peek and see something, probably nothing. We're back here where the Muppets are. that balloon that we saw across the way over there near Toy Story Land. Or Toy Story the Ride, rather. Which perhaps is Toy Story Land where we're at, where the walls were at earlier.
Quiero que sean lo contrario, o sea, educados.
Nos esperan aquí, por favor.
Some walls with some Star Wars attire on them. It used to be called the Pizzeria. It's been in construction for a very long time. Or it has going to have something to do with Muppet 3D, with the Muppets. And this right here is now a flower garden. It used to be a fountain back in the day. A fountain. Now it's a flower bed. And there it is, the old pizzeria. Definitely still on construction. Also a gate along the way here. I think we shall. I think Mama Melrose is back here still. And yeah. Here it is, Mama Melrose still here. Hopefully they're still doing well for business. Definitely my favorite Italian restaurant. Kermit, sing along, overlooking the progress here. Please pardon our pixie dust, someone just said. You know, as the sign says. Oh, there's a walk around here. Like someone's perhaps vandalized the artwork. Oh look, a candy cane. Is that leftover from? Is that leftover from Christmas? No. It's frosty. Coming back around to the pizzeria. More walls. Coming soon. Good pizza place. Been there one time, I think maybe twice. Definitely good. Little hidden gem back here. So, going back where we came. I guess we'll go back to Star Wars. Let's see some more. There'll be more walls. There's one around that area. Get a quick peek, and once again the flower bed that was a fountain, if anyone remembers that, just a few short months ago. Okay, back around here too, once again Star Wars, rounding off the construction update here. See if there's anything over here that we may or may not see besides a long line of Star Tours. Go to minute wait, not bad. Stand by line.
It was back in.
Got a few folks waiting for the show. Little Jedi.
You can come across them.
More walls. Nothing really to see there. Ironically, I've never ate to this place here. Seen it all the time. Man, this park, you know, a few times, but never have ate here. Put that on the bucket list.
I guess.
Still intact. I think one day it may go by the wayside. Now, come up on the park here. I think we've pretty much seen the main areas. Well, we can tell by construction, so. And you can definitely tell a lot of construction going on outside as you go in the park. A couple of lanes are shut down. The back lots, you can see, it looks like they're building a road in through the back lots area, which was the back lots area, but yes, we'll all see. It'll be a few years till we know, at least. So anyway, guys, it's been great. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you learned a few things. Maybe you didn't. If you will, subscribe. Thanks again.